On a 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander. This one is a sport edition. I'm going to be doing the front brake pads and rotors. So the first thing I'm going to do, of course, is to remove the wheel. I took the lug nuts and loosened these two up already. And jack and support the vehicle. Okay, I got the rear wheel removed on this 15 Mitsubishi Outlander. I have to take off these two bolts for the caliper. Those take a 14mm socket. The lug nuts take a 21mm socket. So I'm going to take those off. And the one with the rubber boots on them go at the top. What I like to do is I like to pull on the caliper, compress the piston a little bit. Makes it easier for me to get the caliper off. Moving the brake pads. I need a screwdriver to get those off. Okay, I got the brake pads removed. Got the caliper pushed in, so that's ready to be remounted. Take off the caliper bracket. There are two bolts. There's one there, one there. Those are 17mm bolts in order to get the caliper bracket off. I'm going to spray some penetrating fluid in here and inside the lug nuts so to penetrate behind the rotor, so it'll be easier to get the rotor off. Okay, now with a few good whacks of the sledgehammer, this rotor should come off. So I'm going to get this rotor off, get ready to put the new one on. Okay, now it's the reversal of the removal procedure. Put the rotor on first, then the brake caliper bracket. Okay, I got the pads on, the new brake hardware and everything. So next, just put the caliper on and mount it. Guide bolts and install the caliper. Okay, I got the wheel on. Everything's set for the brakes. Just in time for this storm to hit. But that's the front brakes on a Mitsubishi Outlander. This is a 2015. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching.